guys, and welcome to another vlog. I hope you're having good time, good day, good weekend. Today we're going to install some new things in my Peugeot 206, and it's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be fun. I have never done this before, so yeah. Today we're gonna be installing this AEM fuel to air ratio, and now I'm gonna go inside of the car and show you what we have here. We're gonna be installing this air to fuel ratio from AEM to my 206, and I think it's going to be installed somewhere here. That's my idea for now. So yeah, I never done anything like this, so I don't know how will it go, but yeah, so now I will unbox this to show you everything what is inside. It's gonna be interesting because we have things to do inside of the car and in the engine bay, and yeah, I'm gonna show you everything what is in this box. Okay, so in the box we have, so when you open this box you have here this nice AEM gauge, air to fuel ratio. Then you flip this thing around, and now you have in here everything you actually need. Wire for the wideband sensor to go to your gauge, and this is a wire harness for the ground, power source and everything else. Also here you have this wideband oxygen sensor that goes into your exhaust, and some parts for installation. Here you have instructions, and it's pretty well explained. So actually have a diagram here on the first page how to connect everything. And actually inside is everything you need to know for the installation, so it's gonna be a fun day for me. So I don't know, I was thinking about getting a power source from the, here is the fuse box, maybe from here. I know I have some work to do, so things to find out. So actually, yeah, let's go to work.
A few moments later.
Okay, so first I found the source of power, and I'm gonna be using this slot right here, because it's empty, and we have power only when we put a key in and turn the key. I don't know how to say that, but yeah, only then we have a power of 12 volts here. So we found that, and next we need to find where we're gonna get a wire from the wideband to the interior. So I was searching, and there was literally not even one hole on the firewall that I can use. We have this over here, but this is a water heater. There are for AC. Here we have a big hole for the wiring harness, but sealed up, so I can't use that either. And then I found this. I mean, I remember that this is a vent for the air ventilation of the interior, so I'm gonna use that. First I put wire in here, and then came in. So I go under here, and I don't know if you can see, but this here is the wire, and over there that is the vent. So yeah, we did that. Oh. I'm too too old for this.
I'm too old for this shit.
Now the wire is here, so yeah, first we got that. Now I need to get this power wire from here down and connect it over there. So we have a second wire here, so now we can try to take off this and put the gauge here, because we ain't gonna be touching this again for now. So yeah. Okay, so now I will try to put the gauge on this part here, something like that. We'll see. I'm gonna try to take this thing a little apart.
1 hour later.
Okay, now we need to fit this here, but
2,000 years later.
like that. Now
1 eternity later.
here first. Okay, so the gauge is in place. I will need to cut some like ½ centimeter plastic here, just so I don't pinch these wires here. Here is the gauge and here are the wires, and I don't know if you can see, but I will pinch my wires at this plastic here. So I need to trim some of this to get enough clearance to attach this plastic here, so yeah.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so here is the update, guys. I decided not to cut this part of plastic, so I just removed it. It's actually removable, so because I'm not gonna use this vent here, it's just gonna stay like this. So I'm gonna try to work without this part, and we will see if that will cause any ventilation problems while driving, or some noise or something. We will see. Okay, so this part here is done. Now we need to go down there. Okay guys, so I have installed ground on the wiring harness. I have connected it on some bolt here. I have found pretty good spot for the ground. It's like a bolt that it's connected to the chassis, so I have best possible ground I can find. So I will show you guys. Here we have the wire harness, and here is the wire for the ground. So I'm gonna put it like this. So yeah, you can see the light. It means we have a power. That is sorted out. I only need now to wire 5 ampere or 10 ampere fuse on the power supply, and power supply is then completely done. It's going pretty good so far. Okay, so the battery is in. Now we need to see if this thing will fire up. So let's put. Let's cross our fingers. Woohoo! And we are having a working gauge, everybody. I don't know what that means, but it's working. So that's great. Now we need to install the wideband sensor, and then this thing will be fully functional. Okay, so here we are under the car, and you can see here. Oh, yeah. So here is this oxygen sensor that we need to remove to put that wideband one from AEM. Okay, so first we unplug the oxygen sensor. I don't know if you can see, but this blue one, you have a green one that's over there and a blue one that's here. So the blue one is second and the green one is first. So we need to remove that second one over there. It's easy to unplug it. You just pull this red cap off. So you just pull this red cap off and pull it out. So here we have him hanging over there. Okay, so now we're gonna like this one. Oh, so much dirt. This one is pretty bad. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see. And here we have the new one that we got in the set. Ooh, it's very nice. Very nice. So that it's done, oxygen sensor is in. Here we go, guys, oxygen sensor is in. Now we only need to wire it, and that's it. So here we have the wires. I got them through here under the intake manifold over here, and now I'm gonna wire that up. Okay, so everything is wired and connected. I got this secured very good here and down there, so we can remove 206 from these jack stands and see if this is working and how it's working and etc. So yeah, let's remove 206 for this stand.
A few inches later.
Okay, so everything is buttoned up, everything is connected, everything is secured and ready to go. So let's start and let's see if it actually works properly. Cross your finger, guys. Oh yeah, heat. I don't know, I think it's like heating up or something. So yeah, for now it's working. Okay. Okay, so ready to start. Okay, so actually it's not that bad. We have a reach. I mean, it's a little bit rich. It's not anything crazy. It's seen in the green zone. Actually, it's working pretty well. That's the reason why I have ordered this gauge and went into this project, because I don't know where my air to fuel ratio is. I don't know. And here we can see it's a little bit rich. So that means we need to do a remap on this car, and that's actually good. I hope soon we're gonna do a remap on this car. I don't know where, I don't know when, I don't know anything, because with all this COVID situation going on, we are all in very bad position. We can't go drive really far to go remap the engine, I mean the car. So yeah, it kind of sucks, but I think we're gonna figure something out. So yeah, the gauge is working. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up anyway, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.